CNAP was built to help developers turn their software into scalable managed services without the complexity of Kubernetes, billing, and multi-tenancy. In this guided tour, we'll walk you through the key features of CNAP. Let's start the onboarding with our Quickstart. This Quickstart will guide you through the essential steps to get your first product up and running. We'll quickly set up 3 things: an existing application or your own, connect Stripe to charge users, and set up your infrastructure. Your app will then be deployed to your cluster, and a new one will automatically be created when a customer makes a purchase. Now, let's choose your application. You can search for any application from Helm's Artifact Hub or select from popular options below. This will be the foundation of your sellable product. In the search box, you can look for databases, web servers, content management systems, or monitoring tools. You can search for any Helm chart that's available in the ecosystem. Once you select an application, you can customize it, and your product name will appear to customers in the marketplace. Remember, you're not installing this for yourself. You're turning it into a product that customers can purchase and deploy with just a few clicks. Once you connect and complete the Stripe onboarding, we can allow customers to actually purchase your product. Click on Create Products in Stripe to get to the Stripe dashboard form. In Stripe, you can configure your name, description, payment cycle, and cost of your product. After you configured your product, click on Add Product and navigate back to your CNAP Quickstart tab. It will automatically load your Stripe price items that we can select for our product that will apply at checkout. Now let's set up the infrastructure to host your product for customers. Choose Create New for a hosted Kubernetes control plane, where you add your own worker machines. Or import existing cluster that is managed somewhere else. When creating a cluster, you want your customers to see which region the product will be deployed in. You can name a region however you like. After you named your clustered and selected your region, you can create the cluster. Your cluster is getting provisioned and will be ready in 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can continue to adding worker nodes. Let's fill our cluster with compute power by copying the bootstrap command and running it on our server. After that, just click on I've run the command. When you have connected your workers successfully, you can finish the setup. Congratulations! Your product setup is complete and ready for customers to discover and deploy. You've successfully transformed an application into a sellable product. Your product is configured and live in the marketplace. Payment processing is connected for automatic billing, and infrastructure is ready with compute resources. Next, you can test the customer experience by trying to deploy your product yourself before you share your marketplace link with potential customers.